Meaning of implication.
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 Implication. Implication refers to a suggestion or indirect indication of something. It can have both positive and negative connotations, depending on the context in which it is used. For example, if someone makes a statement that implies they are unhappy with their job, it could suggest that they may be seeking new opportunities. However, if someone makes a statement that implies they are dishonest, it could damage their reputation. In general, understanding the implications of statements and actions is important for effective communication and decision-making in various contexts.